Hello guys. A lot of you guys, you understand what is selling short. It means if you think that the stock is going down, you instead of doing buy, it means you buy long thinking that the stock is going up. Now, if you think that the stock is going down, you can hit sell. And this sell, what does it mean? It means you ask your broker to lend you some shares, 100 shares, 200 shares, 5,000 shares, whatever shares you want, and you sell them short. It means you sell them in the market, and when the price is going down, you buy them again. This is what is called selling short. And it is more difficult thing, and you should be experienced trader in order to do it. Now, there is an easier selling short without really selling short. It means you don't borrow anything. There are some ETFs that tracks indexes like Dow Jones or S&P 500 or Russell or any sector that you like. You find an ETF in order to buy an index, because you can't buy an index, you should buy an ETF. Now, there are some ETFs that go long, and there are some ETFs that go down. What does it mean? It means, let's say you see in a sector that it is going down and it has problems or bad news or whatever, like what did happen with energy sector. Instead of buying an ETF that is going long because the stock is, this stock ETF is going down, so what you should do, you should buy an ETF that when the stock is going down, this ETF goes up and you can make money. It is as simple as that. Now, training level, I think level 18, how to short the whole market, it is there for you guys if you are interested to know about all this stuff, sectors, industries, and how to do it and when to do it. I encourage you to check this training and you get it and you study it. And when you begin to train, if there is any problem, you should send me an email and I will help you, because the thing I am doing is I'm trying to help as much as people to understand how the market works. So it is easier to do like this, shorting, without really selling short. It means you are not borrowing anything and you are not doing anything that it is very dangerous, because selling short is dangerous. Now this, it is like a stock, so it's not, when you put stop loss, you can exit at any time. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day.